Okay, I want to welcome you to this short presentation focused on pre-sale landing page without spending a dime on domain name and hosting. I mean, how to create a pre-sale landing page without spending a dime on domain name and hosting. And the reason is this: I've discovered that many people, especially many affiliates on this platform, as an expert near affiliate or any other platform, they are having complained about not making sales as you expected. And the reason you have not made sales as an affiliate at all is because you don't have pre-sale landing page for the product you are promoting. Many of you run Facebook advert direct to your WhatsApp DM. Of course, this may sound good to get started as an affiliate, but you can't compare your result running Facebook advert to your landing page to pre-sell and qualify your prospect before they finally come to your DM. You see, there's a room for you to run Facebook advert from Facebook down to your direct to your WhatsApp DM. Good, but you can't compare the result you get from that method to running a Facebook advert down to your pre-sale landing page first, and now they take a step of coming to your WhatsApp DM. In that case, you have qualified them, you have pruned them to know if they are really qualified. In fact, they will have better information about what they are coming to your DM for. You know, some people can just click your advert on WhatsApp, online, Facebook, and just landed on your DM, not knowing why they click, where they are coming from, and why they get to your DM. And now by the time you are now sharing your affiliate link or something to them, sometimes they will be confused. But if you share your you direct them from your WhatsApp advert campaign down to your pre-sale landing page, whereby you qualify your prospect by giving them detail of what they are about to receive from you, either in form of quiz, that is, you ask question and they responded, and from there the flow continue like that until they get to your DM. You will convert very well and you will make sales. Now the question is, many people decided to go for WhatsApp advert directly from Facebook down to DM because they don't have money, or they don't have enough cash to pay to set up their domain name and hosting, because you need domain name and hosting to be able to set up your pre-sale landing page. So, like I put here, I say, indeed, many newbies will love to follow the marketing part of creating a pre-sale landing page to WhatsApp DM, but because they are low on budget to buy domain name and hosting, they opted for Facebook ad directly to WhatsApp DM, which doesn't convert as expected because there is a missing link. Yes, you know, someone coming directly from Facebook to your DM, there will be a lot of missing link, because many people click on advert sometimes unprepared. They have not decided, they don't know why they click. They just click to test, let me see where it's taking me to, you know, something like that. And they get to your DM there, the next thing you are sharing is your WhatsApp and your affiliate marketing of it. So with someone that doesn't even have full understanding of why it's coming, he just saw the advert, not having better understanding of what the advert is all about, they just click to play around with it, you know. So if you are doing Facebook direct to your WhatsApp DM, truly you may have some result, but I want to tell you that it will be maybe 2 out of every 10 or out of every 50, and which is not the kind of result you are expecting. So, and you are doing this because you are low on budget to buy domain name and hosting. I won't spend 60,000 naira, 62,000 naira, or 40,000 naira, 50,000 naira on buying 72 IG training. So then now the solution is that you can design your landing page without spending a dime on domain name and hosting in case you are low on budget. Okay, and the question is, the good news is that you can use cards to create a stunning and professional pre-sale landing page within 48 hours without spending a dime on domain name and hosting, setting up your affiliate marketing sales funnel in this order. And what is this order? Order is advert, Facebook advert, either Facebook advert, either WhatsApp TV advert, either Instagram advert, either Telegram, either Instagram advert, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, or Google advert, whichever advert platform you do, then that is advert to your landing page. And then from your landing page, you will pre-sale them in form of quiz or in form of giving them detail of what they are about to opt in for. So when they have read through, and then they can decide either they want to go further to come to your DM. Then from your landing page, they can now click on the button or link on your page that will bring them to your WhatsApp DM. Then where you now begin to start a relationship with them, and then you can establish the process of like, KLT, know, like, and trust, which can convert to sales. You get it now? So now that is the funnel, and that's the process, especially as a newbie. You get it now? And the true question now is that if you want to learn how to create stunning landing page like this one, like the one in the link below using card, you can see now these are the landing page I've helped some of my clients to create, that they are low on budget to buy domain name and hosting. I encourage them, and I was able to create something like this for them. And hardly when you land on the page, you hardly believe that it is on free domain name and hosting. You get it now? So but just let you have a peek of what this landing page look like, for you to see the kind of stunning, beautiful, and professional landing page, pre-sale landing page that you can create with card if you follow my instruction. Of a truth, something that you can play around with, but however, if you have someone that can train you, it will make it faster. So let's see how these 3 landing page out of many that I've created look like. So let's quickly go. Here is my browser, and I have 3. You can see now the first one is kickdigital.co.card.co, and look at it now. Here is it, and this is a landing page for pre-sale landing page for 72 IG. Can you see it now? Okay, free business presentation, how to make 250k in 7 days selling other people's digital product online from the comfort of your home using your smartphone. Can you see? So can you see it? So this is a pre-sale landing page created for one of my clients and using card, and you can see it now, and you can see. So you can learn how to design something like this, and then when someone click on this, you take him to your WhatsApp DM and you begin the discussion. Just let me click on this, and you see how it look like, what it look like. Can you see it now? So can you see now? You now get started with him or her. Can you see it now? I believe that you like something like this. And here is another example, and this is another one that I created for one of my clients on this I think child birth without injury, one of the product on the Spartania platform. Can you see now? Not less than 50,000 Nigerian pregnant women lose their lives yearly to childbirth and pregnancy related cause. Can you see? So, and this wonderful landing page, and quite into professional, nice, beautiful, and I can just say that something that you can start with without waiting for when you get money to buy hosting and domain. Of a truth, if you have the money, it's good. So then you can use WordPress and Thrive Architect and the likes to create your landing page. However, when you are low in budget, this is something you need, and it will convert better than you running advert from Facebook direct to your DM. You'll be losing a lot of sales, and you'll be even gathering many people that doesn't understand, that doesn't have full understanding of why they are coming to your DM. So this is another one. You can see now. I believe that you can see that all these 3, they are professional looking landing page using card platform to create the landing page without spending a dime on domain name and hosting. So I believe that you can see the power of card, what you can do. Now the question now is, would you like me to hold you by the hands to create something stunning and beautiful like what I've just shown you just now? Then the question is, you may ask, if you want to be a part of this training, I'm introducing our training, and this is what you'll be learning in that training. It's a paid training, but of the truth it must be told. It's a paid training, and what are you going to learn in this short training? What you are going to learn is overview of card, how to create your card account, how to get verified quickly, introduction to card dashboard, how to create your landing page, to select suitable template for your site or for your landing page, how to use card design element, how to use card design element editor, how to add and edit content on your landing page or site, how to hyperlink a text, image, button and the like, how to save your site to draft and continue later, how to save and publish your site, more on card dashboard, how to create unlimited landing page without upgrading, how to integrate cognito form to collect visitor names, email address and phone number, and how to generate Facebook lead and WhatsApp lead from your landing page, and many more. There are so many other things that I may not be able to list here, but you will learn more on this. So if you are interested in this training or to be part of few people I will be teaching, then you can click on this link. Click on this link so that and it will direct you to my WhatsApp. Then you can chat more on how to be added to the class for the training. And the training, it will be sold for 3,500 on seller, but as a way to help you member of this affiliate group, I will be giving it out the same training for 2,000 naira, and strictly for Expertnear affiliate. So it's strictly for Expertnear affiliate. So the training is 3,500, but for Expertnear affiliate, in as much you are a member of this group, then you will get it for 2,000 naira training, and then you'll be part of the people that will be holding their hands to learn how to use cards to create your affiliate landing page. The truth of the matter is that if you can convert your knowledge to, you can monetize it and also charge people to help people to create something like that, either for fellow affiliate, informal digital creator, or other person that may need landing page that they don't want to spend money on domain name and hosting, and you can charge between 7,000 to 20,000. It depends on the person you are dealing with and what you want to what they want to achieve. So okay, so just click on this link and then you will be good to go to be part of the few people I'll be holding by the hands and adding you to the class and be part of this training. Once again, you can create your pre-sale landing page without bothering on spending a dime on domain name and hosting. So to be part of this training, just click on this and you are good to go and you'll be added to the training room. Thanks once again. It has been the voice of Foresight Global. See you at the top. Bye.